Let's go over a question about circles. We need to know the formula for area. Whenever you see a circle, there's a cool technique with circles. You can just write down cards: circumference, area, radius, diameter. There are 4 properties of circle and they're all related. And you need to absolutely must memorize these formulas. The formula for circumference is 2 pi r, area is pi r square, radius is of course r, and diameter is 2r. And circumference can also be pi d because 2 times r is just diameter. So in this question, we know the area. They gave us the area. So the area is going to be 144 pi. So we can write down 144 pi. That's what we know. So just with one information, we can find the remaining 3. That's the cool thing about circles. I see students mix up circumference and the area sometimes. I see students mix up radius and diameter sometimes. But if you put it in the card chart, you're not going to make that silly mistake. And all you need is one clue and you can find the rest of it. So pi r square is 144 pi. That means r square must be 144 because you just take the pi out. R will be plus or minus 12. So it can only be plus 12 because it's a distance. It cannot be negative. So from that, you can tell r is 12. So this diameter is going to be 24. And circumference will be 24 pi. So we know everything about this circle from that information. This question is asking us about the minor arc. So it's asking us about this arc right here, AB. Actually, no, it's not asking us that. It's just telling us that's 4 pi. Okay, so it's just telling us 4 pi. So let's write that, 4 pi. And we need to know how many degrees here. And this has to be in radian. Okay. Now, we know the circumference. We can use the circumference to find that because that circumference will have 360 degrees. It goes around the circle, 360 degrees. So you can do a little bit of cross multiplication to solve it. Because 24 pi over 360 degrees must be equal to, let's call it x degree. X degree, that's 4 pi. So what is x? You can cross multiply. X times 24 pi is 360 times 4 pi. If we divide that by 24 pi, you can isolate the x. So you have 24 and 24 cancel, x and x cancel, pi and pi cancel, 4 and 24 cancels. It's going to be 60. So x is 60 degrees. 60 degrees is not the final answer because you have to convert that to radian. How do you convert degree to radian? You multiply that by pi over 180. So take 60 degrees, multiply by pi over 180. That becomes pi over 3, which is actually 1/3 pi. So that little a there, that a is actually 1/3. So the answer is 1/3. Oops. Let's say 1/3 is the final answer.